I'm Greg Shapiro, and let's queer up the worldview. Tokyo court upholds same-sex marriage ban, sending marriage fight to Supreme Court. Japan's LGBTQ community suffered a setback on Friday when a Tokyo court ruled the country's ban on marriage equality is constitutional, an outlier among 5 other recent rulings that found the ban unconstitutional. Japan remains the only G7 nation without marriage equality. According to the Japanese newspaper Minichi, the judge said lawmakers, not courts, should address same-sex marriage. The Associated Press reports the judge also said defining a marriage as between a man and a woman seemed appropriate. Support for marriage equality has grown sharply in Japan, making the ruling especially disappointing for plaintiffs. One of the plaintiffs, Shino Kawachi, told local media the decision was, quote, difficult to comprehend. What is justice? Was the court even watching us? Were they considering the next generation? End quote. Amnesty International's Boram Jang urged action, saying Japan must legalize same-sex marriage so couples, quote, can fully enjoy the same marriage rights as their heterosexual counterparts, end quote. The issue is now headed to Japan's Supreme Court. Well, disappointing for plaintiffs and the LGBTQ community worldwide. For a country that seems, I always think of Japan as being sort of futuristic.
Like ahead, right? Yeah.
That this ruling just feels so antiquated and prejudiced. Let's hope that the Supreme Court is more open-minded and functional than our own.
And rational.
Rational, that too. That's good.
You know, Japan, I love your food. But this ruling feels like getting ghosted after a great first date. You know what I mean? Like the world is moving forward. Support is somehow still there, right? And the courts are still saying maybe later, you know, and queer folks there are right. Justice shouldn't be a suggestion. The silver lining is when a movement hits the Supreme Court, the world is going to watch.
You know, Japan wonders why Godzilla keeps attacking Tokyo. Now we know why Godzilla keeps attacking Tokyo. Karma, karma, karma.
You see what happens? You see? There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.